Let's say you're watching a Blender tutorial, and as someone's telling you something and they say, I'm now going to press G, and magically G appears and they press it another time, etc. Or they click a left mouse button, or they press a middle mouse button. That's all thanks to something called ScreenCast Keys. And this video is about how to install that and configure and use that. ScreenCast Keys is an add-on that has to be added on, installed. And in my Blender copy right now, I don't have any of that. So I can press G and nothing happens, and I click the mouse button and nothing happens. So I have to install it. And where do I get it from? It's courtesy of this nice person or people or group, GitHub Nutty ScreenCast-Keys. And if you scroll down there, you will see release page. Scroll down again, screencast_keys.zip. So I'll click on that and save as. And I've been through all this before, won't repeat that this time, so you need to save it. And note where you saved it, obviously. Next, go back into Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Install, and go for the .zip file. This zip file contains python.py files. You do not need to bother yourself with extracting those. It knows how to handle that. So install add-on, and then we select it, and then now. So come back into Blender, and we now have a new tab of ScreenCast Keys. Now as they stand, these defaults are quite small. So if I say press G, before I do that, we need to check the ScreenCast Keys button to enable that checkbox. So as you can see in this bottom left hand corner, quite small. So I tend to have a much larger font size of say 33, and the mouse itself maybe 66, and that's a more kind of decent size. I've pressed G now, and I'm both configuring it and using it at the same time really now. So if I press my left mouse button, we see that. We see it light up down here. If I press R or S or S again, then that times 3, times 4, etc. Right button and middle mouse button. It doesn't know the difference as far as I can see between a middle mouse click and a middle mouse scroll. But I'll take that. That's all there is to know about ScreenCast Keys, I think. Bye.